Let's create one more component of the car engine. In this tutorial, you will learn to make the engine side cover. If you missed the others video, you can download this file and continue the tutorial from here. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, go to Assembly and select a new component. The name here, engine side cover, and the parent, the car engine, and press OK. I will hide the others component here. And now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here go to create and select the arc, center point arc. Make a center arc here with 93 millimeters of radius. And here go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select the center of this arc and the center point here, this point and this point, this one and this one. And now go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint here is 10.5 millimeters. And now select a line, a construction line type, click here on this point, make a center line here. And make sure that this point is coincident with this line, okay? And now select a line, click at this point, remove the construction geometry here, make a line here with 202.56 millimeters, and go to dimension. The angle between these two lines here is 31.6 degrees. And now select the arc again, but here select the 3-point arc, click here on this point, and make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with this line here, okay? And now select the line again, click at this point, make a line here, and a line here. And go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this point here. And select the tangent, make this arc tangent with this line. And go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 56.8 degrees. And move this line to this side here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the center line here is 24.85 millimeters. And the length of this line here is 178.6. We made this profile. Now we will mirror this line to the other side. So go to create and select mirror. And the object, select the lines and the arc. And the mirror line, select this construction line here and press OK. We made this profile. Let me hide the constraints a little bit. Make sure that this arc here is tangent with the both lines. We will have a full constraint sketch. And here, finish the sketch. And go to extrude, select this profile, and the distance here is 44.45 millimeters, and the taper angle 5 degrees. Operation new body and press OK. And now go to create a sketch again and select this face. And here, go to modify and select offset. Select this edge here. The offset here, the distance is 19 millimeters, minus 19, and press OK. And finish the sketch. And go to extrude, select this profile. The distance here is minus 5 millimeters. And the taper angle 5 degrees. Operation cut and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select this face. And select a line, construction line type, make a center line here. And select a circle, make a circle and this side with 57 millimeters of diameter and remove the construction geometry. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint here is 175.75 millimeters. And the horizontal distance here is 113 millimeters. And now go to mirror, select this circle and the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. And now finish the sketch. And go to extrude, select these two circles. And the extrusion here, the distance will be 12.7 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. And now go to modify and select fillet and select this edge and this one. The fillet here is 6.35 millimeters and add selection set. Select this edge here, the inside the corners here. The fillet here is 19 millimeters. We have more fillets to make, but I will make separated. And here press OK. And now go to fillet again. And here select this edge. The fillet here is 12.7 millimeters. And add selection set. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 9 millimeters. And press OK. And go to fillet again. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 12.7 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now go to modify and select shell. And uncheck the tangent chain here. And we will select the face that we want to remove. So we will select these two faces here. And this face here. This one and this one. And we will select the back face here. And the inside thickness here is 7.8 millimeters. The direction inside and press OK. And now go to fillet again. Select this edge and this one. The fillet here 32 millimeters. And add selection set. And select this two edge here. And here in the back. Select this edge here. And the fillet here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. And now, let me full constrain this sketch here. Click here with the right button. Or double click here to activate this sketch. And here, let me make this point vertical with this circle here and finish the sketch. Just to make this full constraint, okay? And now, create a component from this body. And we will rename this to engine side cover. And now active the car engine and show the others component. I will move this body a little bit here. And here, show the sketch 1 of this body and go to assembly, select the joint and select the center point here. Look, that is not the center of the arc, is the midpoint. And here select this edge here of this body and press OK just to see how it was done. And now let me hide this. And here we will change the last joint. So move here to see the last joint here. We will move this 44 millimeters and press OK. It's good. Hide the sketch 1 here. And let me add a color here. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.